So could a source of conflict also be external? When I say external, maybe from your family or your culture.
Can you give me an example?
So, for example, imagine it's a South Indian marrying a North Indian, or um, from different backgrounds, maybe a rich versus poor, for example. Or could it also be of familial pressures?
It would be. So that would come into the expected behavior patterns based on the culture. So my parents expect my partner to behave in a particular way because they follow a particular culture. My partner doesn't want to do that because she follows another culture altogether. And this mismatch of expectation and what can be fulfilled can create a major source of conflict. Now, the problem is not as much the external factor, but so what really happens is, let's say my parents expect my partner to behave in a particular way. She is not able to. Now, who does she turn to?
Partner.
To the spouse.
To the spouse. So she turns to me saying that Nitin, I can't do this. Can you support me over here? So she's now expecting me to support. Right? And if I am not able to support her, her problem is not my in-laws, her in-laws actually. It's not my parents actually. Her problem is that my partner did not support me when he was supposed to. She may not want to fight with me on this, and she may not want to blame me for this, and therefore she talks about it in terms of my parents. But really, her primary problem is that my partner did not stand up for me.
So,
right? So yes, it is that many a times the expectations can come from the external world, but eventually it becomes between the two partners how they are able to handle it or how they are not able to handle it. Simone, कुछ बोल रहे थे?
yeah, so sir, I would just like to add something over here that sometimes if the expectation is from the in-laws and it is not, it can also be that, can it also be that it is not about your husband taking a stand, but more about, I mean, you are not able to handle that the expectation that is coming out of your in-laws, which was primarily not his own expectation naturally, but now they are putting up as their own expectation to support their parents, and this gives you a feeling of isolation. It is not exactly that you need a stand, you can take a stand for yourself, but this gives you a sense of division kind of thing. Is it possible, sir?
Can you give me an example?
um, um Sir, would be difficult to put up as an example. So, for example, let's say that about the okay, working professional life. Like initially, your husband's mentality does not restrict the wife to do any work professionally or participate in outside work except the household work. But as the time goes with the family and all, family's in-laws expectation is that the wife should not be working, and eventually the husband's mentality also supports them that yes, because the household cannot be taken care or whatever in any ways. This is just a small example. So at this moment the wife gets a feeling of isolation or a kind of division that they were able to convince him and I have become more weak. As it is, I had to struggle to put up my thing, and I'm more weaker because I have three people opposite me. Sir, am I
So
able
what
to
does she?
explain myself?
Correct. So what does she expect the partner to do? What would her best? What is it that she would think would be the best way out?
So if not, the husband could support her. At least he could stay away from this. If it is between she and her in-laws, he should not have it put up this case as his own mentality that even I don't like this. So this makes the case worse.
Perfect. So that's again the expectation that she has from her partner,
Okay, okay.
which is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
being fulfilled.
Correct.
Does that make sense for all of you? See, eventually it boils down to this, right? That I wanted to do something. I would have done it if my partner would have supported me on this. Okay, or at least would have stayed out of it, if not supported me. Right? But now that the partner is also taking that stand is what is making the situation worse for me. Any other question on this? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Perfect. And then apart from this, there is one more situation that can happen. Just a second.